Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadul Haqoe, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class of class 6. Our today's topic is Chapter 6, Theorem 2. This is the 8th class of annual term and today's homework number is 7. Dear students, our today's topic is Theorem 2. So at first we have to know what is Theorem 2. Theorem 2 is when two straight lines intersect, the vertically opposite angles are equal. When two straight lines intersect, the vertically opposite angles are equal. This is a statement. We need to prove this. Dear students, to prove a theorem, we have to know some steps. At first one, we have to know first step, that is general enunciation. General enunciation. General enunciation means in this step we will write the given statement. We will write the given statement. Second step is particular enunciation and figure. It means that we will write the particular enunciation according to the figure. Figure we have to draw according to the given statement. It means that according to general enunciation or according to the theorem, we have to draw the figure and then we have to write the particular enunciation from the figure using the given information or given statement. Third step is construction. Construction means in part 2 we will draw a figure if additional construction is needed to prove the theorem. If additional construction is needed to prove the theorem, then we have to construct additional part of that figure. That part is known as construction. Then next step is proof. It means that we have to prove the given statement. We have to prove the given statement logically using the figure, using the given information. Dear students, let us start. How can we prove Theorem 2? So our first part is general enunciation. Our first part is general enunciation, first step. So write general enunciation at first. General enunciation. We need to write the given statement. Prove that when two straight lines intersect, the vertically opposite angles are equal. Dear students, this is our general statement, general enunciation. Now next step is particular enunciation. Next step is particular enunciation. To write the particular enunciation, at first we have to draw the figure according to our given statement. Our given statement is when two straight lines intersect. So we have to draw two straight lines. Suppose AB and CD, AB and CD be two straight lines, intersect each other at O, intersect each other at O. Here angle AOC is the vertically opposite angle of BOD and angle AOD is the vertically opposite angle of COB. We need to prove that the vertically opposite angles are equal. It means that we have to prove angle AOC is equal to angle BOD and angle COB is equal to angle AOD. So we can write the particular enunciation now. Let AB and CD be two straight lines which intersect each other at O. As a result, four angles produced here. First one is AOC, COB, BOD and AOD. These four angles produced here. So we can write here as a result angle AOC, COB, BOD and angle AOD are formed or produced. Now we need to prove that the vertically opposite angles are equal. In this figure, angle AOC is the vertically opposite angle of BOD and angle AOD is the vertically opposite angle of COB. So we can write, we need to prove that angle AOC is equal to angle BOD and angle COB is equal to angle AOD. Dear students, now our next step is construction. Additional construction is not needed here to prove the theorem. So construction we will not write here. So we will go to the next step. Next step is proof. The students observe the figure here. The ray OA meets the line CD at O. As a result, two adjacent angles AOC and AOD are produced, and as CD is a straight line, sum of these two angles will be one straight angle, means two right angles. So we can write the ray OA meets the straight line CD at O. So we can write angle AOC plus angle AOD equal to one straight angle. The students again observe that AB is a straight line, and OD is a ray. The ray OD meets AB at O. As a result, two adjacent angles AOD and BOD are formed, and as AB is a straight line, sum of these two angles will be equal to one straight angle. So we can write here again the ray OD meets the straight line AB at O. So we can write sum of angle AOD plus sum of angle AOD and BOD, angle AOD plus BOD is equal to one straight angle. Dear students, you know one straight angle means two right angles. So we can write here two right angles. And here is also we can write two right angles. Dear students, now notice here, sum of angle AOC and AOD is one straight angle or two right angles. In this line, sum of angle AOD and BOD is equal to one straight angle or two right angles. It means that sum of angle AOC and AOD and sum of angle AOD and BOD are equal. So we can write, hence angle AOC plus angle AOD equal to angle AOD plus angle BOD. Dear students, observe that in left side here is angle AOD, in right side also here is angle AOD. We can omit the same angle from both sides. We can omit the same angle from both sides. If we omit, then we will get angle AOC equal to angle BOD. We can use a side note here, omitting angle AOD from both sides. Dear students, we need to prove that angle AOC equal to angle BOD. Angle AOC equal to angle BOD. I have proved angle AOC equal to angle BOD. And next two angles we need to prove angle COB equal to angle AOD. In the same process, we can prove these two angles are equal as these two angles are vertically opposite angles. So we can say similarly we can prove that angle COB is equal to angle AOD. Dear students, proof of this theorem is done here. Do this theorem as your homework, practice again and again, submit your homework on next Sunday, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe, see you again inshallah. Allah Hafiz.